I'm not in basement yet.
Who
cares if you're not in basement?
Oh, yuck. Everyone's coming to my party. The party is about, we got all of this. Yeah, I like fantasy stuff. Yo, bro. Yeah, this was something I actually experienced. There was like a chest monster.
You painted yourself?
Yes.
Yourself?
I painted
You're talented.
Yeah, and I actually saw this before. I saw like a mimic creature like this. So finally when it was weakened and it opened its mouth. And that's where I snuck.
Red.
Yeah?
Red.
Yeah?
Go in this.
No, don't go in there. No. Bro, guys, don't go in there. There's some experiments I haven't finished yet. And great, I'm stuck too.
One by. See, look at it. Look.
What happened?
You're not far.
Alright, alright, you can get out if you get shot by the robots. I did make robots that look highly realistic as those zombie creatures that roamed back in the 1800s.
They're not moving.
Where the
Not
moving.
I think it's over here.
Oh yeah, I haven't completed them yet.
Still bugging? Yeah, bugging pretty bad.
Yeah, they're not completed, guys. Alright, guys.
That's right by him. He's here.
Yeah, but I just need to do one more thing, and that's how I...
Lead me to the exit. Lead me to the exit then.
Alright, I'm not completing with these things, so you guys gotta be extremely careful. No, that's the wrong way. Don't go in there. There's a coin that yours... Come. Alright, guys.
Huh? My fire alarm is chirping. I found the treasure alarm is chirping.
Well, you found it?
I found the treasure.
Don't waste our time, bro. We seriously have to leave.
Guys, nobody is here yet. I'll keep an eye out.
Quick, guys, come. I can hear them.
Wait, guys,
They're getting closer.
We can beat the bears. No, they're not. They're not.
Guys, I hear something.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean they're coming. We have to get
Wait.
And once you complete it, guys.
Guys, come out, guys. Guys, quick. Something weird is on the
TV. It's like a breaking news.
Breaking news! In
Gorillas.
caves! Wait. Oh, wait, let's see it.
And breaking news. Somebody
Rotation map, aka caves, has now been flooded with up to 3 and maybe even 4 zombies. So be careful and don't enter.
I'm gonna hunt them down.
Guys, I just realized. This is yike work. Guys, this is yike work, guys. This is yike work. I have radiation in my body ever since. When I first ate a banana, there was radiation in it, which is how I got superpowers.
Wait, I think you go down here.
Yeah.
And also said something else go down here. Get up there.
It also says something
Guys, no!
there's
Guys, help!
impossible made.
Impossible.
Don't worry, no guys, let me go first.
I basically broke a few fingers.
Bro, they said there was 4 or 5 zombies. They said there was 3 or 4 zombies. There's barely no zombies in here.
I think they're down
I'm not a monster. Yeah, we should go down here. This is not scary.
Hey guys, you guys want to check separate area? Alright, me, Sadu, and Duck are gonna check here. And alright, you 4 guys. Oh, I hit the ground. What did you do, scientists?
I just touched it.
What is that thing?
monsters anywhere. We should run.
There's no gorilla.
Stick together.
Guys, there's something extremely powerful. Run!
For us to hurt them.
Run! There's a monster.
Where?
Behind us.
Go. Hey, yo, dumb pinky. Yo, dumb pinky. Yeah,
Cat.
dumb pink. Come find me.
Seth. Don't go out.
I'll end you.
Make a distraction. Bye, soldier. He's making a sacrifice,
here.
including with Yeto. Guys, we have to go. The zombies ripping him to pieces.
Oh, God.
Wait, let's go back.
Run.
I know, I have extreme powers. Yuck.
They almost just bit me. Guys, run.
I'll go beat it. I'll go take it down, guys. I have radioactive powers.
I'm a soldier. I'm disconnected. I'm trying to give you a knuckle sandwich. Give me a knuckle sandwich. I can give you one. Give you a knuckle sandwich.
He's weakened. Quickly, destroy crystals.
They did say
Wait, look. Did you guys,
What is
go,
that?
go.
That's the second zombie.
Looks like my new friend is going to pay you a visit.
Oh.
We're cooked. What does he mean by new friend?
I think that's a turn.
You don't see what I mean. Come save her.
Run!
You're gonna take me.
No, it took Yeto.
Oh,
Guys,
look
I repeat, take down Canito Pet. Kill Canito Pet.
Oh, Ed, I feel I
Guys, Canito's here.
Looks like somebody got infested.
Just take it. Take it. Nobody else needs it.
Looks like someone got infested.
I brought that extra piece of cake. Get back here.
Yeto.
Oh, my body.
Wait, Yeto. He said that someone got infected. Someone. Purple. Purple, red. We gotta make a weakness for this. I got a sample.
The person
While you're
that
punching
got
him, I made him bleed.
new friend is affected now. Yo, everyone, come up here.
Well, we have to go into the monkey bed.
Basement. Go back.
No,
to the basement.
some people are fighting it.
Two people are affected. Let's go.
Run.
He's taking us down. He's infecting us.
Fight them. We have to find a sample.
I have the sample in my hand. I have to go into base to find a receipt. It's weak. Make sure.
Why are they following us?
Quickly, guys, go into base.
Thank you, Lucy. Time to find where they went. Back to the house. Get back.
It's too late. They all can't. Oh my God, my robots are working now. Don't go inside. It can kill you. No, don't go inside. It'll kill you. All right, I found its weakness. Its weakness is someone needs to attack it and then break the crystals. It's connected to the crystals and something called the shrine. That's how we can stop. That's how we can destroy UC. The thing that spawned in the.
Don't worry. I'll take the monsters. I'll just select the laser.
They're moving.
If they work.
All right. Once you have the laser, I want you to attack Kanita with it. Make sure you destroy the crystals. So, scientists, you're gonna find Yalta samples if it evolves. Monkey, you're gonna help me fight it. And someone needs to destroy the crystals. Got it broken on base.
Yellow's infected. Duck's infected. Duck. S infected.
Duck's infected, guys. Duck, I know a cure. I know a cure for you. I'm sorry. Duck is killed. Duck is killed. Guys, keep on. Guys. We gotta run. So I didn't know you too, Saifu. I didn't know. I didn't know Saifu. I didn't know you too, Saifu, could have powers, radiation powers, radioactive.
I mean, I did. Oh yeah. Also, I also ate a green banana. I thought it wasn't ripe yet, but after I ate it, it was weird. Hours. It was like kind of.
I mean,
I think I might have also ate one on accident. I don't even think I would eat it because already have it.
There was a cure me.
I won't think I would eat it.
There we
But
go.
in case, I think I got like healing powers. Cause also, when a zombie, one of those weird monsters
Again.
I got corn.
Red.
Instantly healed.
Sifu, you have radioactive powers like me.
Guys,
Come on. Everyone, destroy the small crystals. While Kanito Pet is distracted. The zombie known as Kanito Pet is distracted, guys.
Heal me.
Everyone, destroy the crystals. Everyone, destroy the
Do you
crystals.
feel better? Do you feel better? Lucy! Monster!
Everyone, destroy the crystals. Someone, fight Kanito Pet.
Where?
You forgot we could cure, right?
Where's the crystals? Where's the crystal?
No, attacking me. No, you. I will never let you attack Sifu. Sifu, come on. Come on, Sifu. You're like my sister, right? Sifu?
Here, let me heal you guys.
Zzz. If you see Kanito, guys, destroy every single small crystal in the mines. You destroy every single crystal in here. I'll fight Kanito.
Got it. She's in there. Roger. Oh gosh.
Everyone, destroy the crystals. I'll fight Kanito.
Person is affected. Let's I can kind of drift the side effect a bit.
Guys, everyone, we have to make a spell. But in the safe spot. Guys, come.
Yes, it makes them slower.
Come.
I make them so they're like really slow.
Come on, guys. We can destroy Kanito. Guys, come. We can destroy the zombie with this. Everyone, go into caves. Everyone, go into caves. He can't get us here. Everyone.
A lot of people are affected. This is great.
Hey, wait, Red, Sifu.
Good.
We will destroy Kanito with this. My sister.
I'm good. I'm better. Glad I ate that.